Waiting for you. Hi, she's certainly got some stories to tell, hasn't she? Too many. But she's a fighter, and I know you can bring her back. I know you'll fix her right. I promise you, she's going to be beautiful again. Thank you, son. All right, let's see what we've got here. That's deep. Oh, yeah. A lot of work.
The key's been sitting in here a while. Yeah, I'm glad it still works. Wow, look at the inside. Years of neglect. All right, let's get these straps under here.
Careful with the axle, Herman.
Got it. Chains are coming down.
All right, clip them on.
All right, easy does it. Steady, steady. Chocks are in, straps and chains, all secure. Good, let's go.
Safe travels, old friend.
Godspeed, thank you.
All right, she's here. Lots of work. Never seen one in this state before. Needs everything, but she's a beauty. Let's get started. Let's hit it with the foam now. On it, spray in the rear. Getting this moss off the roof, finally. Look at that paint underneath the muck. I've got the bolts on the left. Got it, easy. All right, lift together and into the container. Next, the indicators. All right, fuel lines are disconnected. Yep. Got the clutch cable. Checking the mounts, all clear. Ready? Ready to lift. All right, time to strip the rest of the interior. Seats, dash, everything goes. Yeah. Wiring is a mess. Need to redo it all. Look at that rust. All right, dashboard's out. Moving on to the floor and panels now. This is a mess.
All right, mark that one. Floor pan on the left side, 8x24. Got it. Looks like the battery tray needs patching too. Yeah, circle that. And check those lower rockers again. They're
Floor pan, area A, 14.5 by 8.
Got it.
Wheel arch, section C.
Panel is ready. All right, here we go. Nice job, guys. Looks beautiful.
Down. Got it. Watch the wiring. Perfect. Now, tighten that fuel line.
Oh, it's perfect. More than I could have ever dreamed. Enjoy the ride, sir.